Hello everyone, we're gonna install the package powerindices in your Python system, and I assume that you already found your way to my GitHub website /powerindices, and there you already find an explanation how to do that. So I'm just gonna do this here to show you that's actually really very easy. If you haven't installed Python so far, go to the Anaconda website and download it, run everything. It's very nice. It also comes with a nice tool which is called Spider. So I will just open Spider. It's going to take a while. Now, some people will ask typically, why did you do this in Python? Well, Python is very widespread. So pretty much in every department, you're going to find somebody who's able to help you out. And there's lots and lots of information online, and it's really also very easy to learn and very natural to read, and nonetheless it's still kind of fast. Let me just try to import the package powerindices. So this basically means I want to use this package now, and it says it didn't find it, so we need to install it, and this can be done simply by opening the Anaconda prompt. So I type Anaconda, it's already here, and type pip install powerindices. You run the command, it's going pretty quick, and it's installed. So when I try to import it again, it now works and I can use it. Some of you might say, I don't want to actually have this installed. So let me just show you how you can do also without installing. To this end, I will just uninstall the package. Okay, it's now uninstalled. So if I try to use it by first importing the package, oh, it still works. So why is that? No idea. Let me just restart the kernel. I might thereafter break down, hopefully. Okay, it doesn't work because I uninstalled it, but nonetheless you can use it. You just need to download this one file, powerindices.py. So for example, you can just download the whole package, and then, well, it's gonna come as a zip. So I just open this zip file and I take a copy with me. Put it somewhere. Let's see, let's make a new folder, call it PyPower, and paste it there. And now I have to set my working directory towards there. So this can be done, for example, in Spider by browsing a working directory. I just go to Documents, PyPower, where I just put the powerindices.py. And if I try to import it now, it works again. And you're ready to go.